there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power. This week, we're going to look at a great conditional formatting formula inside of Google Sheets that can help you to create a search bar inside of your Google Sheets so that you can look up names or other pieces of information that you might want to look up. So we're going to be using a few different things. We're going to use the search function or the search formula, and we're also going to be use conditional formatting, and it'll highlight our names all the way across, make it really easy to find them. Now, of course, if you want a really simple way, you can hit Command F, and it'll drop down your find in sheet function. We can type in a name, and you'll see it'll find it really easy. But we want to write a formula to do this. So what we're going to do is use this search box here. You'll see that we have last names, first names, and percents of someone's grade. And we would like to be able to look those up with the search box without using Command F. So let's see how we can do that. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. We're going to use cell E2 as our search box. And what we're first going to do is go up to Format and select Conditional Formatting. You'll see this drop down occur right over here. And so it's going to apply it only to E2. So be sure that you do this first. We're going to X this out. And where we want our search to occur is in this range right here. So we're going to highlight that first. Then we're going to go up to Format, Conditional Formatting. Now you'll see in the Apply To range section here, under the conditional format rules, A1 to C15. So that's going to allow us to search within that range. Now, what we want to do from here is select what our rules are going to be. So currently everything's green, as you see in the formatting style. We're going to adjust that a little bit. And what we're going to do is select here, and we're going to go down to Custom Formula. Once you have that, you'll see this little box right there. And we're going to go ahead and write our formula right over here for this search box. What we're going to use is our equal sign, like we would do with any formula. And we're going to open it up with search. And we're going to start writing our syntax here with an open bracket. And we want our searches to occur inside of E2, right over there where it says search box. So we're going to lock this in so it doesn't shift. And hit E2. We're going to put a comma in here, and we would like to be able to search by last name, but we want it to highlight all the way over. So if we go over here to our range, we can see that last names are from A2 down to A15. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to lock A right there, but we're not going to lock our second piece of the argument here, which is 1. And that's going to allow us to search all the way over. And so once we have this in and we've got our A1, we can close this off. And then we're going to use a greater than symbol and put 0. So when it searches, it's going to return the number of items, and anything that's greater than 0, if it finds a match, we want it to pop up. Once we get that, we can hit done. And then I can come over here to our search box. And let's say I want to look for Robbins. And you see that it'll find Robbins right there. Let's say we want to find Cruz. It'll find Cruz right there. Let's say we want to jump down to Brown. We can now see that Kimmy Brown's score was a 91%. Or if we want to see Jerry, then we can see Jack Jerry's was 72%. And that's it. That's how you create a search box inside of Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And we'll see you next week right here on Lean Strategies International LLC.